Hey guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use ChatGPT to create an itinerary for you for your trips. For example, today I'm going to the Liberty Science Center and I'm going to have it create the itinerary for me. So to start off, you want to hit the headphone icon over here. Give it like a second for it to load. And then you're going to start speaking. Hi ChatGPT, how you doing?
I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? How's your day going?
It's going great. I'm going to the Liberty Science Center today with my girlfriend, and I wanted you to plan an itinerary for me.
That sounds like a fun day. To plan the best itinerary, I'd like to know a few things. What time are you planning to start and end your visit? Are there any specific exhibits or activities at the Liberty Science Center you're particularly interested in? Would you like recommendations for meals or other activities nearby as well?
No specific recommendations on things to do. I just want to go to the Liberty Science Center today. We are planning to get there around 12 o'clock. And then for food, we was thinking about maybe grabbing some good pizza nearby. What do you recommend?
Sounds like a great plan. And this will give you plenty of time to explore. 2. Explore the exhibits, 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Start with the exhibits that catch your eye first. Some popular ones include the Jennifer Chalsty Planetarium, which is the biggest planetarium in the Western Hemisphere, and the Touch Tunnel, where you navigate in total darkness using just your sense of touch. Don't miss the live science demonstrations that happen throughout the day. 3. Lunch break. After exploring, you might want to have a late lunch. For pizza nearby, Raza in Jersey City is highly recommended. It's known for its artisanal pizzas and uses locally sourced ingredients. It's a short drive from the Liberty Science Center. 4. Continue your visit, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. After lunch, head back to the Liberty Science Center. 5. Departure. Plan to wrap up your visit around 6 p.m. This should give you a full day of fun and exploration without feeling rushed. How does this plan sound?
It sounds great. I just wanted you to organize it a little bit better for me. Thank you.
Let's tidy that up for a smoother experience. Visit to Liberty Science Center and pizza lunch, 12 p.m. Arrival at Liberty Science Center. Start your adventure by diving into the exhibits that interest you the most. The Jennifer Chalsty Planetarium and the Touch Tunnel are must-sees, 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. Exploring exhibits. Spend these hours getting hands-on with the science exhibits and catching any live demonstrations that are scheduled. 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. Lunch at Raza. Head out to Raza in Jersey City for some of the best artisanal pizza in the area, made with locally sourced ingredients, 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Continue exploration, return to the Liberty Science Center to explore more exhibits, catch any shows you missed, or revisit your favorites. 6 p.m., wrap up, end your visit, carrying with you the memories of an exciting and educational day. I hope this helps make your day a bit more organized and enjoyable. Have a fantastic time at the Liberty Science Center and enjoy the pizza.
Thank you. So yeah, guys, you can, within a matter of like a minute or two, I didn't even type anything. I just used the voice feature they have. You can have ChatGPT plan your entire day for you if you're going somewhere where you're not familiar with or don't know what to do. So yeah, make sure you guys like this video, drop a comment on what you think, and have a great day.